welcome back to my channel. That begins now. Today I'm starting a new project. So last time we did the aquarium, right? And we broke it into many parts. I'll try to not make it into many parts, but what you want to do is delete everything, I guess. I mean, I don't think we're gonna use it for anything. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna use it. But what you want to do is Shift A, mesh circle, and now if you click off by mistake, you can delete the object and new it. But a new feature is F9. Well, no, I mean not a new feature. A feature is F9. So press F9 on keyboard and it'll bring back it. It's good. So what you want to do is go to edit mode. Go to edit mode and then press F. So if you click off, just click on it and then press A and then press F and then press numpad 1, and then you see these gridded lines. Well, you want to go 1. Let's make it here, up here to this line, okay? So let's pray E Z. I mean Z. Let's make it to this line. I insert it and GZ. Move it up. And what we're doing is making like the lights. So we're gonna make like part of a city, maybe part of a city. Let's see. So this is the first part. So I'm not sure. I just got an idea. Okay. So this is basically good. And then press E. Oh, sorry. Control Z. Press numpad 1, and then scroll. And then use this hand to move around, or you can press hold shift and move with your middle mouse, and then scroll out. Oh man, E, and then basically maybe this tall. This tall will be fine, right? I guess this will be fine. And then what we want to do is press this face select this, go to numpad 1, press E to extrude R, and then G, S, 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 E, S, R, E, R, G, Z. Let me see. Shift Alt, Alt, and then GZ. Alt, S, Alt, S, Alt, S, and E. Maybe GX, maybe not so far. Maybe like that far. Now at this point you can see what I'm making, right? And then let me just see. Okay, I think we got this. Okay, and so we want to E, extrude this, S. Never mind. Yes, I know. So press E, extrude S, like this. I mean, yeah, I think that's fine. and then go to object mode, add mesh cube. And then do that. Let me see. G. Yeah, let's scroll, shift, hold shift and scroll in. S, X, S, Y. And hide. G, Z, G, Y. S, Y. G, Y, and then G, X. And then we want to go here. S, Z. Okay, I think that's good. And now we want to go and add a modifier, a subdivision surface. This, and then render up like this. Edit mode and press Control R, and then do that, Control R. GX. Nice. Is Shift D, right click, and then S, maybe make it a little bit bigger, and then go to edit mode, Control R, right click, and then do this, Alt, X, delete faces and objects. Oh, what the I have no, I literally have like no idea what this is. Like, literally no idea what this is. Okay, let's just delete this. Edges. Okay, and now go to object mode, and then we got this. Now go to edit mode, select this, shift, well, you know what, alt, and then press I to insert it, Control Z, scale, extrude S, so press extrude S, E, S, and then press Control R, Alt, E, S. GZ. E. Okay, and I think we're all good. Now we need to add add subdivision surface. Shade smooth. And now edit mode. A, Control B. Object mode. Okay, select to add where's bevel? And then amount. Arc. And then angle. And then press Control R. Control R. And now we are done this. Now shade smooth and shade smooth. Now just for fun, let us select this and then go to materials, press new, and then select emission. 1500. Now you don't see any light because there's no ground, but we'll do that next time. Hope you liked the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.